Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. In today's topic, I'm going to explain why there's metal shaving inside your transmission fluid. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys the difference between fine metallic powder shaving and large chunk shaving inside your transmission fluid or on the drain plug. If you remove your drain plug and on the magnet part, and when you see metallic powder on it and it looks extremely fine, there's no need for concern because that is normal wear and tear. Just to be sure that your transmission is okay, make sure to wipe the magnetic drain plug. You want to make sure that there's only fine metallic powder on it. If you see fragments on it or chunks of metal on it, that means that you probably have transmission issue, and most likely something is broken inside your transmission. So this is going to be normal wear and tear. When it looks fine like this, again, there's no need for concern because that is normal wear and tear. Now, if you see metal chunks or shavings inside the transmission fluid or on the drain plug on the magnet part, or even inside the transmission pan, you're going to have some sort of bigger issue. Something is extremely worn inside your transmission. For example, you could have a worn planetary gear set, and when these gears starts to fail and it becomes extremely worn, it can actually start to fall apart and cause metal chunks and fragment to start floating inside the transmission fluid. If you see metal flakes or metal shavings or metal fragments or even chunks, it can be caused by a failed transmission clutch pack. If the transmission clutch pack fell, again, it's going to cause metal shavings inside the transmission fluid. And if your transmission fluid looks extremely brown and you see a lot of brown or black metal particles floating in it, it is going to be caused by this friction material on the clutch pack. If you see a lot of metal flakes or shavings inside the transmission fluid, it can be caused by a failed torque converter. One way to tell that you probably have a bad torque converter is to collect the transmission fluid, put it inside the bottle, then get a flashlight and shine right at the fluid. Now, if you see the fluid looks extremely shiny and it starts to brighten up, caused by the metal flakes or shaving suspended inside the fluid, that is another sign that your torque converter might be bad. This is how I collect the transmission fluid. I make sure that the transmission fluid does not get contaminated with other contaminants already inside the pan. Another reason why there's metal shavings inside transmission fluid, it is going to be caused by a failed front pump. Those are the main reasons why there's metal shavings, metal particles, metal flakes, metal chunks, and metal fragments inside your transmission fluid. There are other reasons why, but those are going to be the main one. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.